Hey, I'm Jack.
And I'm Taylor, and welcome back to another Smokeshow Happy Hour.
Today we're going to be making a spiced cranberry margarita. We have two variations of this. We're going to make the simpler variation, but we'll show you or tell you how to make a little bit more complex, more flavorful version.
Absolutely.
So for this, we're going to need some tequila, some triple sec or Cointreau, and some cranberry juice. And then if you want to make the spice version, we'll kind of go into that. But essentially, the cranberry juice here is going to be replacing a spiced cranberry syrup. So let's get into it. Oh, we're also going to need limes. So we're going to start off with some tequila. And this is going to be 2 ounces. And one thing that we're going to do today is we're also going to rim the glass. I'm going to show you kind of maybe you haven't seen it, kind of a different way to rim glasses. We do it a lot here.
Heard that, yeah.
But
I know we played around with doing, different syrups and stuff like that. So we also had the idea of doing red food coloring with honey for some of our new recipes too.
Yeah.
Good way to do a little rim on that.
Lots of cool stuff. So the typical way that you'll see something rimmed is you'll kind of like run around the edge.
Right.
I actually like to do the side of the glass.
Oh yeah, the whole half edge.
You get a really cool presentation, but you also get to choose when you get salt on your sip. So all you have to do is kind of twist it and you get salt, and then you twist it back and you do.
See, that's awesome. Then I get to decide exactly how much salt I want.
Exactly.
Because I've seen people who sit there and they have to just lick their whole rim, or especially if you do sugar. A lot of people love the sugar rims for margaritas and stuff. So.
And some people hate it too. If you're making this for like a party, you give people the option to never have salt if they don't want it, but it's still there.
You go.
So it has its perks for sure.
So that's actually a part of our Helix glass collection right there. We do have a decanter that comes with it as well. So we're going to drop that link
which
in
is
the
right
bio,
here.
Or it's going to pop up right here in the top right of your screen.
So anyway, with that behind us, I actually do need one more thing.
This is the part of the video where we forgot to grab something. We don't have our squeezer. So can't really squeeze our limes without the squeezer. I don't even know the name for it.
Something like that.
I like that. Citrus press.
Yeah.
Sounds fancy.
Yeah. All right. So now that we have our citrus press, we are going to squeeze out 1 ounce of lime juice, and it should just be 1 full lime. Typically, it's about 1 ounce per lime, unless you've got like crazy
huge limes.
Maybe
I don't know if you've ever been outside the country. I know over in Italy they have lemons that are like the size of my head.
Crazy.
Like insanely large.
Insane.
It's just like on the Amalfi Coast and stuff like that. Like huge.
Wow, that's awesome. All right, so we did 1 ounce of lime juice, and that came from exactly 1 lime. So just use that for reference. And then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. And this is sweetened cranberry juice. So the difference that we kind of talked about in the beginning with the more complex version is to make a spiced cranberry syrup. And the way that you would do that is fresh cranberries in a pot with water and sugar, just like you're making simple syrup.
Exactly.
And then you can add a cinnamon stick or nutmeg, star anise, like whatever kind of spices you want.
A little bit of spices in there just to add to it.
Yeah, and I'm sure it's very good. But we're not able to find cranberries. So I guess you could also probably use this, but it's going to end up a little bit sweeter. And then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of triple sec or Cointreau, whichever you prefer. But they're very similar. All right, and we're going to shake this up. There you go. So once you have that all shaken up, we are going to strain this into a glass.
Yep.
And it should come out like a really nice red color. Oh, kind of pink. Looks like
it looks like a pink lemonade. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, this looks awesome.
Nice.
All right, and we're gonna smoke it with mesquite. So a lot of times with the clear liquor drinks, we smoke it at the end, so it's not too overpowering. You can kind of get away with it with margarita, but mesquite's pretty strong. Just a healthy little pinch there. I'd recommend trying it with the smoke at the end, and then if that's not strong enough for you, then add it at the beginning on the next one, because you're probably gonna have more than one of these.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And if it tastes as good as it looks, honestly, this could be a dangerous recipe, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna let you take the first sip here, and you choose if you want.
I know. I feel like you've been talking, leading the whole interaction for this whole thing. I got to smoke the drink and give my opinion. So I mean, it's been an easy day so far.
Yeah. Sorry.
Let's see.
Little chatterbox today.
All right, so what kind of salt do we have on our rim here? It's not just regular salt.
This is actually a cool salt. Yeah, this is a smoked bourbon barrel or bourbon barrel smoked salt. So,
cool. I went for a lot of salt on that one.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Did it add to it?
That's good.
Nice.
I'm not gonna lie. Having the mesquite smoke right on top being able to take the first sip,
Yeah.
so I got a lot of that smoke right in front of my face. It was great. I don't always smoke with our mesquite stuff, but I think it's been a great pair with this one.
No, this is actually
Pretty
this is
light
fantastic.
too.
Yeah, this is a. I thought it was going to be a lot.
With our cranberry juice, very
Yeah.
sweet, but it's not. It's
when you
it's
think
very
of
light.
cranberry, you think of bitter.
A little bit.
It's not. I think you could make it more bitter if you want by using unsweetened cranberry juice, even
Right.
if you make that syrup. But I think that's really good. That's
No, I like it.
a refreshing fall drink, kind of like brings you back to summer. A good transitional drink.
Oh yeah.
Fall to winter.
And it's got a good look
Or
to
summer
it
to
too.
fall.
It looks
Yeah.
pretty cool, just being a nice little pink drink too. So
Yeah. No, this is a very good one. So give this one a try. This is our spiced cranberry margarita.
absolutely.
Honestly, anything with tequila is really good.
Yeah. No, I'm a fan of tequila. Not traumatized by it at all. So
Yeah.
if we do lean heavy with tequila, I'm happy too.
Yeah.
But please make sure if you guys recreate this recipe, go to post it, tag us on Instagram. I love reposting all of your guys' content. We
Yeah.
put it on our story every time you do something nice like that. Or if you have a new recipe idea that we haven't done, drop a comment. We always love to get new ideas and new inspiration from you guys.
Yeah,
So,
for sure. And selfishly, I just like to see when people are making the drinks that we come up with because we spend a lot of time doing
Right.
these videos, and it's really cool to see you guys enjoying them. So
yeah,
selfishly, just send us the videos because I want to see them.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more content, and
Every
we will see
Thursday.
you guys next week.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.